We have just learned about sine. Now in this right angle triangle, there is an angle theta. The ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse is called sine theta. Now, if we take another ratio, the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, we give this ratio another name. It is called cosine, and this is the symbol. So cosine theta is the ratio of the adjacent side of this angle theta to the hypotenuse. For different angles, the cosine values are different. That is, the ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse are different. For example, this is a triangle with angle 30 degrees. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. This is adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. And if we measure the length of the adjacent side and the hypotenuse and get the ratio, we will get 0.8660, rounding off to 4 decimal places. And this ratio, when the angle is 30 degrees, is called cos 30 degrees. For all triangles with a 30-degree angle, the ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse, that is, the cosine, will give us this same value of 0.8660. How about cos 45 degrees? This is a triangle with an angle of 45 degrees. The ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse is 0.7071, rounding off to 4 decimal places. And this is fixed. For all triangles with a 45-degree angle, the ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse, that is the cosine, will give us this same value of 0.7071. Again, there is no need to memorize this value. These days, we can find out the values from a calculator. For example, if we want to find the value of cos 40 degrees, we just punch the following buttons in the calculator and we will get the value of cos 40 degrees. Cos 40 equal. Let's look at a few questions where we are required to find the cosine of an angle. We are not given the size of the angle, but we are given the length of the sides. Let's look at a few questions where we are required to find the cosine of an angle. We are not told the size of the angle, but we are given the sides. Cos of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. If we know the length of the adjacent side and the length of hypotenuse, we can find cos theta. Now the 20 cm here is hypotenuse. It is opposite the 90 degrees angle. The adjacent side of the angle is 16 cm. So cos theta is 16 over 20. We simplify it and we get 4 over 5, or 0.8. Again, we want to find cos theta here. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 7 cm. The hypotenuse is 25 cm. So cos theta is 7 over 25, or 0.28.